It is not right that by changing your listings, you will change your ranking, all right? Amazon does not give a toss, technical term, a toss for what price you charge for your listing. The only thing that Amazon cares about is making money. Jewelry case. The only thing Amazon cares about is making money. Now, the way that Amazon makes money on Amazon is through people coming to Amazon. And let's just think about this now. This is so important for you to grasp. Somebody sits at their computer, much like you and I are right now, and they go to Amazon and they have a itch. They want to solve a problem. I've got to get a present for my lovely wife or for my eldest daughter, and I want to get a jewelry box, okay? So I've got an itch. I've got to scratch that itch. So I come to Amazon and I type something into Amazon. That is the first step of the process that Amazon looks at. What am I typing into the search box? What is the thing I'm typing? Because it's that and the relationship between that search term and the number of sales that the products make, that's what really affects SEO. Okay, so all things being equal, the number one thing that Amazon looks for when it's deciding who to rank in this coveted position number 1, which is this one right here, position number 2, position number 3, all things being equal, so they're all using FBA, they've all got reasonable seller feedback, things like that. All things being equal, the thing that matters the most is which product will convert the most searchers, people just like you and I who are sitting at home like the computers looking for something to buy, the most searchers into the most customers. That's what's the most important thing on Amazon. Who does that the best? That's why it's not that it's irrelevant, but what you ought to be focused on more than anything else is not really your product. And this is going to kind of be really odd for me to say it. It's not really your product that's the most important thing. It's the person sitting at their computer who wants to buy a solution to their problem. That is the most important thing for you to focus on, because the person who solves that problem the best wins the game on Amazon. They win the game on Amazon. That's where you put your focus. So let's bring this right back to the question. So does price matter? Well, no, not really. Only within the context of Amazon making sales does it matter. So all Amazon's looking at, so here we've got these jewelry boxes. Well, clearly this one here at $90 is almost 4 times more money than number 2, 5 times more money than number 3, and yet it still ranks on page 1, posi number 1 for a search result for jewelry case. Well, that's because Amazon has seen that that product converts more people from searchers to customers, people who hand over their money, than any other product on Amazon. Therefore, they rank number 1 because Amazon's trying to make money. That's what they're trying to do. And that's why within what we do within AOE and indeed within the more advanced courses like the advanced SEO courses, I focus on how to get that top spot. And I've got a question that is going to allow me to go into a little bit more detail a little bit later on. I focus on how to get that top spot for a given search term. For a given search term. Very important distinction. Let's try a different search now quickly, and then I'll show you. So a different search would be jewelry box, for instance. Let's try that. Jewelry box. Let's just see what comes up. So remember those? We've got 89, 23, and 15. Let's see what we get different. So here's a different set of results now for this search term. So this product here in the middle is the second best product of converting people who type in that search term from searches to giving Amazon money. That's the second best person who's doing it, all right? Third best person who's doing it. So your job is to help Amazon make money, and of course, therefore, you get to make money too by laser focusing what you do on the person sitting at their computer with a problem to solve. That's why I kind of spend so much time harping on about that, because it's just so important. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.